Rock Shop Wednesday. What's up, everybody? Rocking and rolling in the old shop today. Sitting at the lovely microscope, engraving a pretty cool pair of spurs. Got all the steel work done. Let me show you this. Fuzz, you want to talk on the deal? I got all the, oh, Fuzz, quit interrupting. What's the deal? Fuzz. Back to my spurs. Got a cool deal going here where you see my flower centers are unfinished yet, but I got all the engraving done. Got to run the leaf border going. Still have to engrave the silver yet, but that's pretty cool. All stone finished. Pretty fancy pair of spurs. So way cool. And I'll show you what I'm doing on the flower centers. I can get to zoom in. So that right there, I'm inlaying silver. Not inlaying, I'm doing the damascene deal where it's attached on the outside, mechanically held. I'm an overlay type of thing, but pretty cool. So I've got my burr field all done up here on those two centers and got that one yet to do. So just doing a little, oh, that's terrible. Just doing a wire here, plugging it on there. It's fun stuff. Really makes a cool deal. So add a little contrast and color when we get them all doctored up with the French gray. Yeah, that silver will pop. All that good stuff. So that's fun. Did y'all catch yesterday? Tuesdays at 2 with Willie. Had one question. I actually had several questions come in. One of them right at 2 o'clock, which of course I'm not going to get that, but I had one come in yesterday morning and I didn't check emails. So I'll answer those next week. Shout out to Tracy. He was asking questions. So anyhow, it was all good. When we got done, Eli, he's the cameraman, and he zooms in on me and all that business. He said, "You look like baby Buddha, Willie. Your belly was sticking out." So I may stand up to next week so I don't look like baby Buddha. I don't know. Guess my hair's good. It's all good. But anyhow, I'm taking a short week this week. Headed to Arkansas to see one of the brother-in-laws. Actually, all the brother-in-laws, all the family, mother-in-law, all the cousins. It's gonna be a good time. We'll have big fun in Arkansas this weekend. But yeah, it's a good week in the shop. And TCA stuff all got mailed off to Oklahoma City this week, so that's good. That deadline's out of the way, and exciting stuff. What else was I gonna say? Oh, we had Salty Roan in here, Bart Hergy, doing a video and all that stuff. So we'll have that coming out in the near future, and y'all see me ramble on about this. Fuss. All the time interrupted. Dadgum cats. Anyhow, all's well. I hope y'all doing good. Got a chance of rain today. Old man talk. Chance of rain. It's nice and cool. 85 degrees here in the south in the Concho Valley in west central Texas. But all's well. It is June, so it's nice to be in the 80s. I hope y'all doing good, and I'll see you next week. Adios.